How to rearrange photos in album on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can rearrange photos in album on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to rearrange photos in album on your iPhone, it's actually quite simple. You can open up the Photos app and then you can simply go to Albums. Once you go to Albums over here, you can see this, but you want to simply go to the See All option, and here are some of the albums that you might have, right? So depending upon which album you want to arrange, just tap on the Edit button that you can find here. Once you tap on Edit, you can simply drag the position of these albums just like this. So it's as simple as this. You just have to long press on it and drag it, then tap on the Done option to rearrange those albums. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.